What's happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So this video right here is all about cheap lenses for your Sony E-mount camera, and this right here is a Yongnuo lens 50mm f1.8. We're gonna find out if this is any good and do the unboxing and the first impression. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks. Inside. Some foam thing. Oh, whew. Something in Chinese. If you're Chinese, by the way, maybe you can read it for me. The box itself was not that heavy. It doesn't make any sense. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Ooh. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. This actually looks quite promising. It feels very solid. Okay. It kind of reminds me of the 16mm from Sigma for APS-C. Alright? Kind of looks the same. It kind of looks the same. Alright. Interesting. Does it have a weather sealing gasket? It has. I think it should be standard, right? Okay, good. Some buttons on the side as well. 2 buttons. AF manual focus. The focus ring itself feels really smooth. Behind that rubber thingy there is a USB-C thing that you can see, right? And then plug a cable in it, connect it to your computer, and update the firmware if needed. But it's really, I want to peel it out somehow. Anyways, first impression so far, really heavy lens, and I don't know about the image quality, so let's switch this lens right here, my trusty old Tamron 2875, switch that with this 50mm from Yongnuo. So let's go. All right, f1.8. How does this look? I'm a little bit up front, a little bit too close in your screen right now, but at least you know this is how it looks. F1.8, a slightly more like blurry background, but if I come a little bit closer, all right. So it looks pretty fine to me. Let's find out in a few weeks what I think about this lens, and if you got any questions about this lens, let me know in the comment section down below, and then I will try to put them as well in this full review if you got any questions, and I will try to get all the answers in the full review. Alright, that's all for this video. Take care, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck. Am I in focus? Am I in focus right now? Am I in focus, yes or no? I can't see it because I'm a little bit too far away from the camera. Peace out.